Hi guys, I got a lot of requests from you to do a short tutorial how to edit in DaVinci Resolve when you're a first-time editor. So I have some footage from my cell phone I shot over the weekend, so let's get to DaVinci Resolve and try to put that together. Okay, here's my footage. So what you're going to do first, of course, transfer footage from your cell phone to your computer and then launch DaVinci Resolve, which is this icon. There are two versions of DaVinci Resolve, Studio and the one that is for free. You can download it on their website anytime. The main difference I'll tell you is just that Studio supports higher resolutions than Full HD, and the regular one, the standard one, the free one, supports only Full HD. When you launch DaVinci Resolve, just click on Untitled Project to start an empty project. You'll start with this page, which is called Cut Page. Very quickly, what those are pages / small applications that you use while you preparing your film. The media pool, a cut page, edit page, the fusion, which is kind of the place you do your visual effects and motion graphics. Color, it's a color grading application. DaVinci Resolve started as a color grading tool. Then Fairlight, which is a sound editing application, and then Deliver. This is where you export all your footage. We're going to go to the media pool and bring in our footage. So media pool, basically, this is the place you communicate with the computer. Basically, this window is your computer. You see all my drives are here, and this is the window you bring the footage in. So my footage located in this external SSD called Small Projects. I go to Vlogs, Tutorial. Here it is. I also have some music. You can bring in footage by selecting it and just dragging it here. In this case, you won't have any folder structure here. You can create folders by clicking on right click, new bin, and then create all your folders. But what else you can do, if you already have your structure on your computer, you just can take the main folder in which you have all the footage. So you can click the folder and just drag it here, and it will not only drag the footage but also the structure you have. So if you had another folder under tutorial, it will drag that too, and all the footage and files there too. So once you got your footage in the system, just go to the edit page. So once you go to edit page, you basically start editing. So you can review your footage. Well, this obviously was done for just tutorial purposes. So after you review your footage, you can just simply drag it here in timeline, and you have it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can zoom in timeline by clicking plus here and minus here, or by pressing and holding command and plus and minus in your keyboard. Please note, I'm talking about Mac key shortcuts, so on Windows it will be different. So once you, for example, zoom in so you can see the clip more better, you just bring clips together and they will snap like this. If you don't want them to snap one to another, you can just turn off this snapping tool, and then it will just override it, you see. But I would assume you will want, for the start, you will want this to be on. And also you can drag footage on top, many ways, right? And then if you want music, you just bring music here. It automatically creates a new track here, so you don't have to go and add track. It will do that automatically once you bring new footage on top like this. Once you have it, and you can edit. Okay, this is too long. To shorten clip, you just go to the edge of the clip and then just drag it. Oops, and don't forget about old beautiful Command Z, which will bring back whatever you deleted or did wrong. If your clip is very long, like this is fine, but let's get this one, for example. It's too long, I need like couple seconds. So you define which seconds you want. I like it to start from here. And then you just press I on your keyboard, which stands for in, basically. Then you see it's selected on this part of the clip, but it's still long. I just want it to finish here. Then I stop here and press O on the keyboard, which stands for out, in and out points. And now I have only that footage. Again, it's too small here. You just need to zoom in to your timeline and it will be easier to select and so on. Another very interesting thing is that our audio and video of the clip are already synced. There, if you click on the video, you click on audio too. The same comes from audio. If you don't want that, you click on the clip and then right click. You see link clips. Here's a shortcut for that. For Mac, you just click on that and then deselect the clip because it's still selected, right? It goes together. Just click on the empty space, and then when you click video, it moves independently from audio. If you want to kind of link them again, select both clips and press link clips. And last thing before we go to the export is, for example, if you want to have only video on your timeline, to import only video, you just, when you hover over the clip, you will see those two, right? It's video and audio. So you just go to video, click and hold and drag it down. You have only video. Same thing with the audio. Click and hold, drag it, you have audio. And audio will be always on audio track section and video on the video track section. So you don't have to worry about that too. This is the beginning of my film. So if I want to do fade in, fade out, that's how it's called. To do fade in, once you hover over the clip, you will see those two knots here, right? So you just click and hold and just drag it. Okay, I like that. Done, done, done. Okay, on done, I would like to do something else. Let's reveal the peer. Okay, this works. Here will be much better. Let's get it. Then people walking, maybe that will be okay, kind of. And then birds flying also can be nice. Let's start from here. Yeah. So you see, I'm done here, I'm finished, but there's a lot of music still going on, and I just want to cut it. I don't care about the continuity, nothing, just to cut it. So there's a tool called Blade. You just click on it, and you show where you want to cut it. Now it splits into two. Then you go to the arrow, and then you see, now they are separated, right? Here. And you just delete whatever you don't want. And of course, if you don't want the sharp stop of the music in the middle of it, you can also use the same principle we used in fade in when I showed you the fade in of this clip. So you just do fade out, click and hold, drag. You can do it longer if you want. Bum, 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 bum. And same with the footage, why not? After that, you go to deliver. Basically, you don't change anything here. Everything is ready for you. So file name, basically the name of your clip. I'll name it bad film. And then you need to show the location. Well, you can skip that, but once you click this button, which is add to render, it will still go here and say, hey, where you want the film? Well, I want my film in my small project vlog here. Just put it here, save. And now once you click add to render, Q, it's here, you see? Now the last step is just to start render. It goes rendering, 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 rendering. And once it's done, we go to our folder, and here's our bad film. Let's watch it, this masterpiece. So that's it. I hope this is helpful and you will start editing and will enjoy the process. If you have any questions or requests, please let me know. If you want more in-depth editing and color grading, how to make your cell phone footage look more cinematic, or any footage, just let me know in your comments or direct messages. Would love to do more of these. And yeah, have a great day and enjoy editing.